Meaning of hi.
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 Hi. Hi is a common informal greeting used to acknowledge the presence or start of a conversation. It is typically used to initiate communication with someone in a friendly manner, and can convey a sense of politeness, warmth, and respect. The term is often accompanied by a smile or a wave, and can be used in both verbal and written form. Hi is a versatile word that can be used among friends, family members, colleagues, and even strangers. Its simplicity and widespread usage make it an important part of everyday communication.